In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop LastPass from asking you to remember passwords. If you're tired of those constant save prompts popping up while you browse, this quick walkthrough will help you turn them off without affecting your stored logins or autofill. Start by opening your browser and heading to the LastPass website. This brings you into the environment where your extension ties into your vault and settings. Give the page a moment to load so everything in the header appears properly. Next, look to the top right of the page for the LastPass plugins option. This is where the browser extension hooks into your account and exposes its controls. Click it to open the menu tied to the extension. If the option takes a second to appear, a quick page refresh can help. What you're looking for is the path that leads you into the extension's preferences. From there, choose Extension Settings. This opens the panel where you can tailor how LastPass behaves while you browse. Think of this as the command center for the extension. You'll find options for filling, saving, and the messages it shows you. We'll focus solely on the notifications so we don't change anything else you rely on. Inside the settings, locate the notifications section. Open it, then uncheck all of the items you see there. These checkboxes control the prompts that ask whether you want LastPass to remember a password or offer other reminders while you're signing in around the web. By clearing every box, you're telling LastPass to stay quiet and stop offering to save passwords automatically. This won't delete anything you've already saved, and it won't turn off autofill for the credentials already in your vault. You'll still be able to add new items manually whenever you want. You're simply turning off the automatic prompts. When you've unchecked everything, make sure to save your changes. This step is easy to overlook, but it's what actually applies the new behavior. After saving, those pop-ups should stop appearing. If you don't notice the change right away, try refreshing the page you're on or opening a new tab. The setting typically takes effect immediately. And that's it. You went to the LastPass website, opened the LastPass plugins menu, entered the extension settings, and in notifications, unchecked all the prompts before saving. Enjoy a cleaner, quieter browsing experience while LastPass continues to secure your logins in the background.